What's up, YouTube? Here we are. We got our package from GPcaraudio. Thumbs up. So why don't we get into this unboxing? Brand new set of sound cubed RCA cables. Neon green. You seem half decent. They were pretty cheap, guys. On to the second package, guys. What do we have in here? And it's a sample piece of their GP Ultra Pure Copper Diamond Edition wire with some lugs and some shrink already on it. Very nice. This is very flexible, guys, too. Super flexible wire. Look at that. No problem. Wow. Look at that. That's nice. That's 1/0. Look at that. Ring. That's really nice wire, guys. Go check out the site, GPcaraudio. You can pick this stuff up. Memorial Month sale. On sale, guys. Some lugs, some heat shrink. Pretty nice lugs. The heat shrink is really nice, guys. It's got a super nice feel to it. It's not like that China heat shrink that feels like plastic and stinks. This stuff has no smell to it. It's really nice. It feels like it's coated with something. It's really, really nice. So I'm sure you guys are all wondering what's in this box. It says do not drop. Well, let me cut it open, guys, and we'll get into it. I know you guys are super excited for what's in this. I know you are, because I'm super excited for what's in this. You guys ready to see what's in this? Come on, guys. All right. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. If you don't know what these are, just hold on a second and I'll explain. So for those that know what these are, awesome. Those that don't, these are the black Hydra HDC 2 1/4 component set. And I'm going to open up this bad boy right here, and I'm going to show you guys some crazy sick mids and tweets. Alright, this is as far as I've got. I'm super, super excited. There was another GP decal in there with another GP decal in there. We have the warranty card. We'll set that to the side right there. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this, guys. Alright, I'm going to set you guys down and unwrap some stuff. Damn, look at them tweets. Look at that thing. Look how sexy that is. Guys, check this out. The grill's embossed with the Hydra logo. Look at that, even like snaps in almost. I don't know if you guys can see that, but check that out, right? That's cool, huh? It's got the Hydra logo stamped into it. That's cool. Crossover. -3 dB, 0 dB. You get your tweeter, your woofer, your in, positive, in, negative. Let's get the little Allen wrench. So all in all, guys, I'm super, super pleased with my purchase from GPcaraudio. Everything was packaged extremely well. The shipping came super fast and it was free. These lugs are super nice. The shrink is super nice. This black Hydra component set, super nice. So guys, why don't you hit that thumbs up for me and like, subscribe, hit that notifications bell so you can get notified on all my videos for this build. Go check out GPcaraudio. Got the Memorial Month sale going on. And tell them Eardrum Assassin sent you over. Peace out, guys.